Hello and a very warm welcome to this watercolor painting workshop where you're going to be painting this delightful little country scene set in the south of France where I live. Hi, I'm Nicola Blakemore and I'm going to be your tutor through this course. This little building is in my village. I went out for a little walk one day and found it and thought how charming it was, with its little tumble-down roof set in a garden with vineyards and mountains in the background, and I thought it would make a nice workshop for my painters. So here it is. I think anybody can manage it if you follow my videos carefully. It's suitable for beginners and intermediates. There might not be enough challenges for the experienced amongst you, but I certainly think everybody could have a go. Now, I film all my workshops myself. I do it all, editing and everything else. And the way I do it is to make you feel as if you're standing right next to me. So every lecture covers one stage in the painting. And when the lecture stops, that's when you would normally stop to let your paint dry. So it's going to be a lovely workshop for you to do, learning various techniques, mixing colours, brush techniques, all sorts of things. But you don't need a very complicated colour palette. You'll find that all in the appropriate lecture. So I hope that tempts you enough to get stuck into this course and have a go. And well, I'll see you in there. Happy painting.